Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Live check in Richmond this morning. A mostly cloudy start to the day here, but some areas, a few more breaks in those clouds. We will eventually work in more sunshine, though. That will be happening, obviously, this afternoon. This morning, partly cloudy, showing at the airport there. Winds out of the southwest at 10, temperature of 55. What a difference a day makes. Yesterday morning, we were talking about 30s and low 40s. This morning, 50s across the state. Because of a cold front coming through, you can see this right here, a broken line of some clouds. That's the front. There are a couple of isolated showers now over the Ohio River into Ohio. I won't rule out, as long as this front keeps sweeping through here this morning, a sprinkle or a stray shower chance. Majority of the area not going to find any precipitation today. Some spots in the valleys of eastern southern Kentucky, still some 40s showing up, but predominantly most stations there this morning are in the 50s. And look at this. We are talking about a big jump, 24 degrees warmer this morning in Monticello. 10 to 15 is really the general rule of thumb there when you're looking at most areas on average. Here comes that front. Farther north along it, as I mentioned a moment ago, some showers across Ohio and some showers down to the south. Really, no widespread rain expected here, but look behind that front. What you see is a lot of clearing. West Kentucky, southern Illinois, southern Indiana, that works in here for us. But you see these clouds wrapping back in from Minnesota and now down into parts of Iowa. That's wrapping in on the backside of the upper level low. So watch what happens. By later today, some scattered clouds likely do take hold into the area. I think the moisture in terms of any additional spotty showers, primarily to the north of us, but with a little sunshine, I wouldn't rule out a stray shower trying to get going, but that should trend dry for most of us into the afternoon. Now tomorrow, we start off chilly, but it's going to be breezy the next few days. We're going to see that this afternoon. We'll see that breeze even tonight into tomorrow morning. And just like this morning, the wind helped to keep the temperatures warmer, along with the clouds. We won't have many clouds tonight play in our favor, but the wind will mix the air a bit, and that should keep a lot of us likely 40 or into the low 40s. Some valleys a little bit colder. The reason I'm saying that is because that will determine any frost potential that may develop for tonight and tomorrow morning. If that would happen, it would be very, very isolated. It's how it's looking right now. Let me show it to you. Today, those morning clouds, afternoon, a little bit more sun getting through, a breezy day, mid and upper 60s. Gusts today could go north of 20 to near 25 miles an hour. Tonight, upper 30s in some of those sheltered valleys, but I think a lot of us are low 40s because of that breeze staying up tonight. We could get some gusts even tonight that could go up near 15 miles an hour. The next big thing, focusing on better frost potential as we get into Wednesday night and Thursday night, especially Thursday night, because I think that's when our best opportunity to see a light wind and definitely a clear sky materialize, which should allow us to maybe even get into the low 30s, which could get us a freeze in some parts of the area coming up on Friday morning. So bottom line, cover the plants or bring them up Wednesday night and again Thursday night. We'll be into the 60s with a few showers going into the upcoming weekend.